To keep their vehicle well maintained, they should call us. We have the maintenance schedules for almost all makes and models, and we know what your car needs. Regular maintenance is the most important thing you can do for your car. It's the same as having a good diet or getting good sleep at night. Without sleep, after 3 days, you wouldn't function very well. So your car is very similar. But when well maintained, there's no reason other than an accident for it to stop working. If your check engine light comes on in your car, it's trying to tell you that there's an emission-related problem. It will not tell you exactly what the problem is, even when you scan it. It will point you in the right direction of which system needs to be addressed. Then we can diagnose the issue with that system, whether it be the evaporative emissions or a cylinder misfire or something of that sort. Your light's trying to tell you something. It's time to bring it in if that comes on. Commercial vehicles tend to do a lot higher mileage or having several different operators that utilize equipment differently, so we can look after the regular maintenance on those. We do quite a bit of safety checks, so we can go through the vehicle and make sure that the tires, the brakes, the suspension, the lights work, the wipers are working. If it's an electronic, a hybrid vehicle for a taxi or something like that, that the battery cells are at the correct voltage, that your outputs are not low, and your alternator's charging your 12-volt system, and that sort of thing.
Budget on the